Dum-dum, dum-dum, dum-dum.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Okay, everyone, you need to get in line. There's so many dinosaurs in my office. I told them about the clay giveaway. Oh, there are too many dinosaurs. It's okay. I'll tell them you can see them one at a time. Okay, dinos. The Pet Vet will see you one at a time. It's important you say please, Mrs. T-Rex. Uh-oh, I will see the most urgent cases first. Okay, Mrs. T-Rex, I will see you first. Miss Hands, I'm gonna need a hand, please.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hey Fizzy and Phoebe. So many dinosaurs. I think we need to get them out of here.
I'll tell them. Okay guys, there's too many of you. You're gonna have to go out the door. Go on, it's that way. Go on, go on.
Okay, let's just tidy this up, shall we? There we go.
Okay, Mrs. T, be careful with that tail, otherwise it might knock over my medical tools again.
Oh dear, don't worry, Dino. Let's just pick these things up one by one, okay? There we go. Oh, and we can use the stethoscope first.
Great idea, Miss Hands. Whoa, awesome! I can hear her heartbeat. Does it sound like dum-dum, dum-dum, dum-dum? Oh, why don't you listen, Phoebe? Cool! It sounds like a very healthy heartbeat to me. Time to check her temperature. Oh, that is one high temperature.
Why don't you turn the heating down, Fizzy?
I'll do it. Phoebe, Weeby, Bo, Busy, Bop. Oops, I think I made it a bit too chilly. Just a little, Phoebe.
But it looks like our dinosaur is happy now.
Can we give her her gift?
Sure, but we better make it first. Okay, here we go. We are gonna make a T-Rex. Rawr! First, we need to roll out our orange clay.
Well, that was easy.
Great! You get a T-Rex to flatten your clay. Then you take your dinosaur cutter and you put it in place and press really firmly. Like that. And take away the extra bits. Press it out. Whoops, there we go. And then we are going to take 2 pieces of clay. And then we're going to roll 2 tiny little balls like this. And flatten that one down. and put the little black bit on the top. This is our dinosaur eye. There we go. Now she can see where she's going. And then we take some yellow clay and make some shapes for her back. And our clay dino is complete. Here you go, Mrs. T-Rex, for being so brave.
I think she loves it. Oh, no running dinosaurs. Oops, they've fallen over. Looks like we have another medical check to do. I think we should start with an X-ray.
Okay, how's it looking, Fizzy?
No sore bones, but I think I will need a magnifying glass.
Good idea. Let's take a closer look. I can't see anything.
What did you say? Oh, Phoebe, you made me jump. Oh, sorry.
Looks like they have mud on their feet.
We should give them a bath. A bubble bath.
Okay.
A really good wash. Awesome sauce.
Okay, we're gonna give these tiny little dinos a scrub.
Dinos, no splashing.
Okay, little dinos, let's give you a really good bath here. We're gonna rub those water beads all over you. Get rid of that mud out of your claws. There we go. And we rub your back. Let's do your little tiny feet too. And yours. There we go. All that mud should be coming off now.
I think it's working. Scrub, 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 scrubbing in the tub. They're hardly seen, but they're nice and clean. I think they're all clean now, Miss Hands.
Great work. Now we're going to use this towel and gently dry their little feet. Here we go. Okay, dinos, you're all done.
Now we can make their clay gift.
Let's do it. So this time we're going to make 2 clay dinosaurs, and we have 2 colors of blue clay. Aw, thanks for trying, guys, but I'm probably gonna flatten that clay a little bit more. And remember our cookie cutter. We're gonna put it on here and press really firmly. There we go. We have our first blue dinosaur. So we're gonna add his eye there. And a little more decoration. And time for our second dinosaur. Here we go.
They look awesome, Sauce. They were very brave dinos. Let's reward them for being so brave. Here you go, dinos. Yeah, they're so cute. And they have so much energy.
So today we made 1 blue dinosaur clay, a second blue dinosaur clay, and an orange dinosaur clay.
And we had another successful day at the Pet Vet. Go team! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bo.